Hi everyone, it's Jo with My Things to Do, and today is going to be just a quick little 3 to 5 minute video. I'm going to be making some pasta. I know what you're thinking. I've already made pasta before, and you can check the video and go to my blog at My Things to Do and check the instructions on that. What makes this day different is that instead of using whole eggs, I'm going to be using liquid egg whites. I had a recipe that needed some egg whites, and instead of cracking open the eggs, I just went ahead and bought a carton of that. Unfortunately for me, it didn't come in a very small size carton, so I've been trying to find different recipes to use the liquid egg whites. And I thought, you know what? Why not try this with some pasta? I want some tonight with my meatloaf, and so here we go. I've got what is the equivalent of 3 large eggs, and that's 2/3 cup of the liquid egg whites, and I've got my standard 1 cup of flour. I'm using my KitchenAid mixer with its dough hook on it today, only because, you know, I'm just curious to see how all this works. I've got everything plugged in, set. Let's turn her on. So since the dough looks a little sticky to me, I think I'm going to add a little bit more flour to this. Yeah, that did the trick. Adding a little bit more flour was exactly what I needed to do. So I'm going to take this out of the bowl, knead it, let it rest for about 30 minutes to an hour like I normally do with any other pasta dough that I would make. And I will come back to you once I have it all rolled out, cut out, and ready to cook. Here's the finished product, our noodles, and I've got meatloaf from another recipe that's on my 1 roast, 4 meals, 2 people, something like that. I can't remember the name of my own post again. Let's taste this and see what we think. Now, I still don't have a pasta machine, so I'm still rolling everything out by hand. It does come out a little, and cutting it by hand. So my slices do come out a little thicker than they would with a pasta machine. But here goes. Just slightly lighter than they would taste had I used whole eggs. But all in all, they taste really good. I don't really notice much of a difference. I didn't do much to my noodles. The only thing I did do was I put them in a little bit of butter and a little bit of garlic, because we like garlic in our house, and that's with everything. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy this plate of food right here. So, this was my quick little 5-minute video. I hope you enjoy it. My things to do. Make it your thing to do too. Dinner's ready.